In this video, let's talk about how to set up a Fiverr account. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Fiverr website, then click on Become a Seller. Click on Continue with Email. Put your email and password, then click on Continue. Choose a username. Here I went with my name and what I do as a freelancer in Fiverr. Now click on Create My Account button. As you can see, you will now get an email from Fiverr for your verification code. Write it down and then click Submit. Now there are two options. If you want to become a seller, click on Selling Freelance Services and Next. Now I have chosen Side Hustle. You can choose whatever you want. In experience, I have chosen Just Getting Started. Now we have to complete our seller profile. Go to Profile and fill out your display name and save it. Go to Settings and add your full name and save changes. Go to Security, then click on Verify Now or Phone Verification. Enter your phone number and click on Verify by SMS or call. Now enter the verification code, send in your phone number and submit code. Now choose any question you want and answer it for extra security. If you want to change anything in notification, click on Notifications. The business information is for buyers. Fill out the questions as asked and save it. Now click on Start Selling. Then click on Become a Seller button and continue. Fill your full name, choose a profile picture, and write a killer description about what you provide and your skills. Add the languages you know and your level of fluency and click Continue. Choose your occupation and your best skills in that field of occupation. You can also add more if you want. Choose what year you started it and till when. Add the extra skills you have and its experience level. You can also add education, certification, and personal website, but it is not mandatory. And click on Continue. We have already verified our email and phone number, so click on Finish. Now you can start making gigs. I will talk about how to make gigs in my next video, so go check it out. And there you have it, folks. That's how you set up a Fiverr account. Thank you for watching.